Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. Once the job is complete, either if it is a failure or a success, the data lake produces what is known as a job graph. So in this video, we will try to understand how to read the job graph. The job graph is basically a summary of what has really happened. So your job probably has an input data set, which is the name of the file is 2010-05, and it produces an output data set. The name of the file is resultsummary.csv. So this job, I can say, is divided into 12 different vertices. 6 vertices here, 4 vertices here, and another 2 vertices here. Each green placard represents a super vertex or a stage. So in the last video, I said that a super vertex is nothing but the vertices working on the same kind of data, same data. So here our 12 vertices are grouped into 6 vertices in stage 1, 4 vertices in stage 2, and 2 vertices in stage 3. That's basically because they are doing the same kind of operation. Here if you see, the 6 vertices are doing an extraction, and the 4 vertices in the next stage, once that extraction is complete, they are doing what is known as aggregate split, and in the third stage the remaining 2 vertices are doing what is known as an aggregation. And you can also see how much time each stage has taken. So the first stage has taken 10 seconds, 8 seconds, and 3 seconds. And this R and W basically indicate what is the amount of data that is read, what is the amount of data that has been written. So it has read 552 MB and it has written 501 MB, which the next stage takes it as an input. So the next stage basically takes 501 MB, whichever the previous stage has handed it to it. And you can also see information on how many rows that have been processed by each stage. Thank you.